Nandito tayo ngayon sa Sun Valley West End. Look at that, guys. Sobrang ganda dito. Look at that. Wow. The view. The city view. Okay, so let's appreciate the view here. So kung dito kayo makakabili ng property, yan ang lagi nyong makikita sa umaga, sa gabi. Ayan. Pag umuwi ka dito parang super relaxing talaga. So kung galing ka ng work, talagang masasabi mo ang sarap umuwi. No? So, meron tayo dito city view. Pwede ka mag-jogging dito every morning, guys. Tignan nyo. And the mountain view. Wow. So, kung talagang dito ka nakatira, hindi mo na kailangan ng bakasyon kasi pag uwi mo pa lang, nagbabakasyon ka na. 'Di ba? Kasi kung ganito kaganda yung makikita mo araw-araw, wow. Buwan na naman dito ang construction, house construction. Okay, so guys, pupuntahan natin. Ito ay request ni Sir Robert. Okay, puro Robert pala yung nakakausap ko, no? Okay, so guys, let's check this property. Okay, let's check out this property, guys. Okay, so this is Sun Valley West End. Okay, so kung makikita nyo, malalawak yung roads natin dito. Yung mga houses dito is modern design with spacious layouts. Okay, so take a look at that, guys. So may gate din dito. And then from the right, papunta na yun ng Marcos Highway. So dalawa ang pwede nyo maging access dito sa Sun Valley West End. Okay, so this is the property, guys. Okay. Andito tayo guys sa Sun Valley West End to feature a lot. Okay, a lot for sale here in Sun Valley West End. But before we continue with this video, I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click the little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video. Okay, so my name is Jen. So let's start the lot tour. Okay, so itong property na pinapakita ko sa inyo from the malapit to sa access road natin, Sun Valley Road. Okay, so guys, ito siya. Lot 14, 606 ang area nito, ang lot area nito. So malaki-laki siya, guys, no? So okay, so if you're kung kayo po ay isang young professional or a professional na bagong lipat dito sa Antipolo ang mga work ninyo, okay, or if you want to settle here, kung bago kayong kasal, no? If you want to settle here in Antipolo, and or if you want an investment property, this property is for you. Okay, so this property is selling in the market for 30,000 per square meter. Okay, so if you are interested to check out and buy this property, guys, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. So tignan natin yung mga kapitbahay nyo dito, guys. Lakad tayo ng konti. So guys, tignan natin yung mga magiging kapitbahay mo dito. Okay, so karamihan dito is sold out na yung ating mga property. Okay, again for investment. Yung iba naman for build and sell house and lot. Okay, and yung iba naman dito na talaga nakatira. So ito yung mga magiging kapitbahay ninyo dito, guys. Okay. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so ang ganda ng magiging property nyo dito, guys. Ayan. Again, this lot area is 606 square meter. So napakalaking house ang pwede mong mapagawa dito. Yan, ang lawak ng road, mahangin. Okay, so kung gusto mo ng peaceful, quiet, guys, na property and a first class community, guys, this property is for you. Okay, so Shout out sa mga clients natin na laging naka-tune in sa ating channel. Okay? So, okay, so dito sa likod ng iyong property guys, ano siya? Road na yan. So, access road na yan, Sun Valley Road. So, napakalapit mo lang sa gate. Okay, yung gate natin dito siya banda. Okay, so guys, malaki-laki to, 606 square meters. Hiningal na ako. Hiningal na ako. Okay, 606 square meters, napakalaki ng pwede mong ipagawang bahay dito guys. Okay, and if you are looking for an investment property, this property is for you. Okay, so ito siya guys, yung ating lot 14. Okay, shout out sa ating mga client na laging naka-tune in sa atin. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel and you want to manifest ng property dito sa Sun Valley and the Perch, mag-subscribe ka na. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I know na nag-enjoy ka sa ating lot tour. See you on my next video. Mama Mary loves you, Jesus, we trust in you. Bye everyone!